Oh, actually, I can get that guy right there. Alright, now I think I'm gonna use this now. You can track him. There we go. Hello YouTube, and hello to everyone else. Welcome back to another one of our LSPDFR videos right now, and also hello to my Rumble users on that side. Today we're going to be continuing on Motorcycle Patrol, which I haven't done in a while, and we'll be responding to both risky calls and traffic alerts. So here we go. Dispatch, show me 10-8.
Copy that, 372, proceed to patrol area.
Here we go.
Attention all units, we've got a possible 148 in, Alpha.
Alright, we'll go to this one here. We'll spawn code 2, so we don't wake them up once we get there though. Oh, let's stop traffic real quick. Right, so false call, I guess, guys. So, dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units, code 4, no additional support needed.
Officer's partner right here is named Aquavius, all the way there. And then for me, the patrol guy, I am also named Aquavius.
All units, we've got a 417 in Hawick.
Alright, so we'll check this one out. Suspenders? I have no idea what suspenders are, guys. Anyone in the comments can tell me what those are. Well, not these guys. I have no idea what they mean by suspenders.
All you gotta do is lay off carbs, you know? Fucking hell, man. It's fucking weird.
Alright, I'm gonna assume suspenders as in those old time clothes, so I guess it should be obvious. At least I hope. Oh, okay, so it's these types of suspenders. Okay, so she has a weapon.
Hey, what's up?
Alright.
You're under arrest.
So I have no idea what they mean by suspenders.
Suspect arrested in, Hollywood.
Oh, she has a warrant on her, okay. Alright, we'll do pat down, make sure she hasn't got anything that could harm us. Okay. At least she did not, attack or anything.
I appreciate that. What's good, dude? Hiya, pal. Thank you.
So I'll get her for. So we'll go to illegal weapon, obviously. She was complying, so that's great. All I need to do is go to other possession. Warrant for arrest. I think that should be it for her. That's it. Probably get way less of a sentence. Alright.
Assistance required in Hollywood.
Dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No additional support needed.
Alright, here we go. I hope you guys are having a good day right now. My day's pretty chill. Not much is going on.
Attention all units. Suspect is wanted for questioning about a possible domestic disturbance in, Rockford Hill.
Alright, we'll go code 2. This is an impersonator, not a big call that we need to respond to.
Some crazy shit.
There it is. This is such a fake patrol car, guys. Not real.
Backup needed in Little Seoul.
Okay, so this guy's just fleeing around. Oh my god. This guy. Probably security for...
Fuck nuts. LSPD! And that's a bust! Ah! Fucking hell! You're under arrest, dumbass!
Alright. That's a warrant on him. Okay.
I'm hoping the Pounders will kill Liberty City Wrath in that game tonight so I can vent some of my pent-up aggression.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Okay, so this guy, I'm gonna search his car first, so I'll be back here.
Wipe
So
your
before I
butt,
search
man.
this.
Liposuction.
Oh, okay.
Target vehicle license plate 46 William X-ray George 633. A traffic violation. A warrant issued. Approach with caution.
Okay. So we need to get this guy in for traffic. So, evading arrest, obviously. The next thing that we're going to do, drug paraphernalia, driving under the influence, yes. Possession of a firearm, yes. Warrant for arrest, yes. None of these, none of these, none of these, and absolutely none of these. Then we're gonna submit the charges. I'll say goodbye to this patrol car. I was hoping it'd have sirens though.
Tow truck. Assistance required in Little Seoul.
Wowee!
조심해.
Is that dry spaniel saliva on your sleeve? Oops, daisy. I'm going to leave now.
Assistance required in Little Seoul.
Dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No further units required. We have possible terrorist activity in Pillbox Hill. All units respond. Code 99 emergency.
No, that's not good, guys. This is the most vulnerable vehicle I'd ever picked this to. We'll need local SWAT unit just in case. Well, not just in case, in this case.
Dispatch to all SWAT units. We have a 1099 in Pillbox Hill. Respond code 3.
Copy that. On the way.
I'm gonna get behind cover.
Cover me while I sort this out.
Got him. Oh, we're gonna need SWAT unit here, guys.
Officer in need of
Damn gun is jammed.
They're already coming to us, so I'm not using the sniper rifle. It's way too risky. Oh god. Yeah, I can't see him. Another flank. Oh god, I don't even see him. That's the worst part. I can't see him. Oh, that's a police officer, guys. Oops. Oh, actually, I think I can get that guy right there.
Damn gun is jammed.
Alright, now I think I'm gonna use this now. I can track him. There we go.
I need cover. Shit!
Oh god. But it's just so weird using this sniper rifle. I have not used this in a good while. We have like 2 more of these guys. Alright, they're down. Okay, that was a mix of both this rifle and the other one. You're probably the riskiest thing I could be doing right now, but... Anyways.
We've got an ambulance requested in... Assistance required in Pillbox Hill. Assistance required in Pillbox Hill.
I see the body. I got this.
I got this. I got this, guys. Anyways.
Assistance required in Pillbox Hill.
Anyways, that was probably like the craziest thing that I've seen. Dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No further units required.
We'll check out the person in the red. I don't think I forgot to arrest him earlier. But I forgot to arrest this guy.
Poodles are agents of Satan.
Assistance required in Little Seoul.
Anyways, I don't think this is a traffic patrol at this point, guys, because I'm supposed to be pulling over. Also, big thing that I've rarely ever said here, guys, make sure to hit a like and subscribe, or on my Rumble, make sure to hit that follow.
Attention all units. Silent alarm triggered in suspension.
What?
Man, shit.
Oh, my partner. Oh, looks like my partner glitched, guys, but oh well.
Attention all units. We have an armored car robbery in Puerto del Sol. Respond code 3.
Since this is yet another one of them risky calls, and we'll definitely need police, local patrol units.
Attention all units. We have a 1099 suspension. Assistance needed in Puerto del Sol.
I'm reloading. Watch my back.
One man takedown right there, guys.
Please.
One man takedown. Dispatch requesting EMS.
Ambulance. Assistance required in Puerto del Sol.
Come on.
I realize, Chad, I'm usually depending on the B key on my computer just to call it back up. But sometimes I'll be going on the radio.
required in Puerto del Sol.
I will go ahead and request.
Tow truck. Assistance required in Puerto del Sol.
Nope, not much I could do.
Don't you pay any attention to that bastard. Listen to me. You don't pick up the phone to him anymore. You got that?
Dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No further units required.
So that was crazy right here. Hope you guys are having a good day though. As I said, it takes time to edit videos like this.
We have domestic violence incident in Del Perro.
We'll respond code 3 to this one. Go all the way over. It's take a little bit.
Man, you don't see that shit every day.
So it's inside. Oh no, we gotta save that girl, guys. We gotta save the girl.
I can mess you up real good, you know?
You ain't worth crap.
I'm actually gonna kill you guys. Actually, no. Alright, tase both of them. Tase both of them.
I'm gonna seriously fuck you up,
We've got a 1099 in Del Perro.
Ay, Diosito.
Respond code 3.
Numb nuts.
Roger that. We're in the area. Damn it!
I just punched him. Bro, oh my god. Bro decided, okay, give me okay, I'm
Lame
kidding, guys.
ass.
Someone fight the shot!
You're under arrest.
Oh, looks like this part of the game is kind of glitchy.
Every time.
Don't move.
Alright, guys.
I'm gonna give you some therapy downtown.
I'm gonna just get both of these people in jail at this point. It's already glitchy in here, so we'll just do our stuff.
I appreciate that. Thank you. So they have both appies. We'll do breathalyzer. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Go on, you idiot! Get out of here!
So I'll have to spawn in a police car right here just to get the field tests.
You crazy or what? Move!
Okay. Okay, so both of these were causing a public disturbance and they have some stuff on them. Well, this was possession of this. Attempted murder of police officer trying to beat me up like that. Well, no, just put aggravated assault on police officer. Disturbing the peace in general. And yes, he did have one. I did search him earlier. Next thing that we're going to do. Okay, so we'll go to get the girl for the same exact charges. So she doesn't have that, but she definitely has paraphernalia. She has disturbing the peace. And we do have battery. And I did forget to put, yep, domestic battery. Other violent crimes, no. And trying to evade arrest, of course.
Assistance required in, Del Perro.
They will call them the criminal couple, so they're going in the same car.
Assistance required in, Del Perro.
Dispatch, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No additional officers needed.
Stay now in GTA. Back in the main city.
We have officer requesting backup in Morningwood.
That's probably the worst name. You could probably give a city right there, guys. It does have a negative connotation, as I do say. But anyways, let's get this done. This is probably the only traffic that will ever respond to.
Hands up! Whoa! Fuck that shit. Whoa! LSPD, freeze! You're mine! Come on, let's take him! We've got you surrounded! You're going away for a long time. You're under arrest, fucker!
Alright, we'll check her car. Oh, that's a bomb right there, guys. Haha.
Fucking fuck!
Pretty interesting thing right there.
I've got to give you the number of that headshot guy. You're way so space.
Alright, so we gotta test those again.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Question.
Hello?
Yep, just going to the grocery store with an IED, guys. That is totally normal. She's a maroon colored girl. So first thing we do need to arrest her for evading arrest. Destruction, no, not here. Oh right, we still had to search them, that's right. Still need to spawn a police car here just to do the field test. Alright, so she has a lot of paraphernalia on her, so that's what we know. This paraphernalia. Evading arrest, I think I put that. Disturbing the peace. None of these, none of these. Oh, but she does have a bunch of illegal stuff on her.
Every time.
Assistance required in, Morningwood.
You already know.
Alright, yo, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video this time. This is gonna be it, as I say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and although I may have not been active with the charges, at least you guys get the gist of what I'm trying to do. And other than that, next episode, SWAT episode, will be coming back sometime soon. Anyways, since we can't get that car towed in roleplay, it has an IED on it. We're gonna do something cool for this stream, just this once, guys. So we're gonna get a grenade launcher and we're gonna blow this car up.
Waste
So
of space.
1, 2, 3. Sorry to the worker in there. That's pretty cool. See if we can get it towed at least.